family in Gaza. They didn't start out in Gaza. 60% refugees that fled from other territories that were occupied by Israel from the Palestinians. This open air prison has been basically an experimental laboratory where the most sophisticated weapons in the world are being used against the most desperate population in the world. There is no place in the world like Gaza. And for them to now be shut off from all directions, to have their water supply shut off, to have their power shut off, to have their fuel shut off, and to be bombed from every direction. There is absolutely no schism that is recognizable to the people of what the pattern of these bombings are. You're guessing every night whether you should try to spend the night in your home or you should try to go next door to your family's home, cousin's home, or whatever it is, because you can't figure out where the bombing is going to be next. And now we have proof of the use of chemical weapons. So Human Rights Watch released just a few hours ago that Israel has been using white phosphorus. And if any of you have ever seen children after a white phosphorus attack, it is absolutely horrific. The long-term consequences, we know that it was used against the people of Syria. And this is not the first time it's been used against the people of Gaza, but to have it confirmed at this point and to still not have a word being spoken by the American administration or a word about Palestinian suffering in mainstream media has been particularly outrageous.